Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're gonna look at Superman's amazing fingers. Let's go! Okay, so we have here WizKids Heroclix DC promotional figure Superman with rainbow fingers. Okay, I'm not so sure why, but he has them. This particular product contains one pre-painted collectible miniature game piece, and you can see the preview of the figure here, also on the side, and at the back, and at the side. So let's get to opening the figure. I won this in the tournament, free roll tournament organized by Joey. So shout out and thank you for the figure. Okay, so we have here Superman with rainbow fingers. Okay, I'm not a huge fan of Superman, but I heard he is super. Okay, so maybe this is one of his superpowers. Okay, I don't know if it's canon or not. I think it is, most likely, but he rarely uses it. Okay, the sculpt though is amazing. Okay, take a look at that headshot. Okay, very detailed face. Okay, and the cape is dynamic. Yeah. Okay, so it's a larger scale now for Superman. And we have here the character card, Cosmic and Superman Team Ability, D23-003, Justice League, Kryptonian, Metropolis, Cosmic, Past, Reporter keywords, and a special movement power, carrying a car won't slow me. Of course, because he's Superman. Hypersonic speed, when Superman uses it, instead of making an attack, he may be given a close-range terrain action as free. Oh, that's really strong because that means he can pick up an object and then use that in the hypersonic. Okay. And at 100 points, you can see that he also has a special attack power, which is the secret of Superman's new power. At the beginning of game and whenever this click is revealed, generate a Superman proxy bystander, maximum 1. Superman can't be targeted while Superman proxy is on the map. Okay, when Superman proxy bystander is KO'd, deal Superman 1 unavoidable damage. Protected pulse wave. Okay, and the Superman proxy here has hypersonic himself with 11 super strength, impervious and close combat damage 3, and a tiny figure. So I guess this serves as a proxy for Superman at the beginning of the game. Okay, and then when he's damaged, now he can what you call this? He can now do it himself. Okay, and a special defense power powered by your yellow sun, impervious, and regeneration as free. So Clark Kent, Superman number 125, 1958 is the significant appearance, I guess, for that issue. He showcased his rainbow powers. So I'm not so sure though what's the connect of the rainbow powers to any of this. I guess through the rainbow powers, he's able to generate a tiny Superman and let that be the one who attacks in his place. Okay, so I'm thinking when he becomes damaged, you can put heart-shaped herb close to him so that he goes back to top click, therefore generating another Superman proxy. And that might be a nice combo for 100 points. So this needs to be play tested. But for now, please share your thoughts in the comments and bye-bye!